Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon. Today we are looking at KF94s on Amazon, which is really cool to see so many more. It's interesting stuff going on with this one, but without further ado, let's look at the All-Keeper KF94. I don't know what that means, but interested. Yeah, I'm interested. Sounds like the name of a D&D character. The All-Keeper. Let's put this in the clamper. Wrong place. Okay. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. If you want to find out more about how this works, you can check out that link. However, just know that we're doing the N95 test. Why the N95? Because we're in America, that's what we do here. But it should be roughly similar to what the KF94 test is, except the 94 is 94%, where the 95 and N85 is 95%. Now, something is very interesting. Everything that I have ever seen that's been a KF94 that has the MFDS logo, which is the Korean FDA, has passed this test with flying colors. In fact, it's so good that I would say if you find a KF94 like this, you could probably just trust it, because the Korean FDA is just so good about keeping their manufacturers in line. However, there is one exception, and that exception is the very popular Air Queen mask. Now, I've only tested one, but I've purchased this Air Queen mask before, this very one, this Nano, and note it doesn't say MFDS on it. So it's not actually claiming to be a KF94. They're not claiming it. They're the biggest KF94 brand, but they're not claiming to be KF94. And it failed the test utterly. Why is that interesting? Well, because we bought this mask, the All-Keeper KF94. And when you look right here, look, this is the Air Queen store. And sure enough, that's who's selling this. So I don't know if it's the same manufacturer or what is going on. And I don't know if this mask is going to do really well, but this mask seems to be a legitimate KF94, where the Air Queen is not. And it's just interesting that they're selling it. So great packaging, as usual. They're using this barrier packaging. People are like, whoa, what is this language? It's Korean. It's a Korean mask. And it's a great mask. Probably one of the best standards that exists. Try this on. The smell is the KF94 burning smell. I don't know what it is, but like the majority of KF94s have this like smell like a campfire that's someone just threw a plastic bag on. And to me, I don't mind the smell. It's a little strong, but it's, I don't know, probably, I don't know why I like it. Something to do with my childhood, I'm sure. Let's look at the construction real quick. It's pretty good, I think I mean, they're huge here, but the elasticity, look at how much that means it could work on a variety of faces. It's going to break if I pull it very hard. And generally speaking, I've noticed about KF94s, I don't think they're ever going to break on your face, but some of them, the ear loops do pop off really quickly. But does that matter if it doesn't protect you? Now remember what I said before. We're doing the N95 test here, N95. But this should pass at about 94%, okay? So the number I'm going to show you should be 94. But the Air Queen, who is selling this mask, is the only one that's ever failed it. So I'm interested to see if this one passes the test, because all the other KFs do. Look at that, 99s across the board, 99.802. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you end up buying the All-Keeper KF94 because of this review, smash that like button, give me a subscribe. All right guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on that next test.